You know what job I wouldn't want? Like a tow truck driver. Picking people's cars up when they're parked in the wrong spot. No one's going to like you. Imagine going to a party. What do you do for a living? Take people's cars to the impound lot? Like, you're not going to make friends like that. Imagine going on a first date. What do you do? Oh, I work in an office. What do you do? Tow truck driver, take cars that are parked in a no standing zone. She's out of there. You haven't even finished talk. Like, no good.